Hi you two, I hope you're all well at home. I'm back in school now, so we got a little bit of a different lesson on the screen. We're going to do some maths. We're going to start with ordering some numbers from smallest to largest. So have a little look at these numbers, pause the video, and I want you to put them from smallest to largest. Okay, let's have a little look. So I'm looking for the number that's got the least digits, the lowest digit in the tens column, because they're all tens numbers. But this one's a sneaky little trick one. It looks like it's a tens digit, but actually it's just 9. It's got a 0 in the tens. Nothing else is smallest. That's my smallest number. Okay, let's keep looking. I've got 3 tens, 6 tens, 2 tens, 1 10, and 8 tens. So hopefully you can see that that one's next. I'm going to get rid of that one because I've used it. That one is 12 next. Okay, what one can you see that's next? I've got rid of 12. I think it must be the 2 because all of these are higher. 21. Next one, I've got a 3 in the tens column, that's 38. Next one, I've got 61 or 83. 61 smaller, and that must leave 83 next. Okay, well done if you got that right. That was a little warm up. We're going to be looking at multiplication, which is lots of, isn't it, today? And we're going to start by looking at arrays. Pause the video, have a little chat to your adult. What does that mean to you, and how can you use that to work out a multiplication problem? Let's have a little pause and a little think. Okay, so hopefully you can recognise that's an array, and that helps us to work out multiplication problems. We've done it before in school. So, the first thing I need to have a look at is, well, what's it showing me? Well, this is in lots of 3. So I've got lots of 3. Now, some of you might say, well, I've also got lots of 4 going that way. So I've got 3 going across and 4 going down. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lots of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 4 times 3, that's what that array is showing me. Now, what you can then do is count how many dots there are to see what is 4 times 3. So let's have a little count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that equals 12. Let's have a look at our next one. Okay, so let's use the same theory then. So we've got 2 going across at the top, 3 going down. So I've got 1, 2, 3 lots of 2. So there's my 2 going across. I could also write that as 2 times 3. Okay, and the total, I count up how many dots there are. I've got 6. Okay. Right, next one then. I'll leave you to have a go at this one on your own. Pause the video. Use the same technique that I did. Have a count across, have a count down, and show me your number sentence for this array. And then, once you've got your number sentence, count the dots and tell me what the answer is. Okay, so I've got 2 going across. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down. So I've got 2s, and I've got 5 lots of them. So I've got 5 times 2. What's the total? We'll count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Right. This one, we've got the number sentence, 3 lots of 5. Can you draw me an array to show 3 lots of 5? So what would an array look like? So 1 lot of 5. What would 1 lot of 5 look like? Well, there's 1 lot of 5. And we need 3 lots of 5. Well, let's do another lot of 5. That's 2 lots of 5. And then we need 1 more lot of 5. There we go. So 3 lots of 5. Not sure what the answer is. I'm going to count the dots to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 15. Okay, I'm going to leave you with a little challenge. I want you to pause the video when I've found the questions for you and have a go with your adult. These are true or false, okay? So I've got some number sentences and some answers, but is it true or false? You can pick the column that you want to have a go at. You don't need to do all of them. I'd say it gets a little bit trickier as we go from left to right. So pick your questions, true or false, and I'll give you the answers another time. See you soon, you two.